Hello, Amazon and Walmart brands. I'm Saad, the CEO and founder of Spectrum. As you all know, that Spectrum is into business for almost a decade now, and we have worked hundreds of brands till to date, and we have ensured their growth. But in 2026, we have a very interesting offer, especially for those brands who are struggling on Amazon and Walmart. You can work dedicatedly with our experts for a whole month before you decide that Spectrum is a good fit for you or not. And I think this is for the very first time any agency is offering a post-billing plan where you'll be working dedicatedly with our expert, as I said, for the whole month before you decide whether Spectrum is a good fit for you or not. So let's explore this opportunity. Growth is not just luck, it's an architecture. And when architecture is strong, the sale becomes predictable. Our team of more than 400 in-house experts are looking forward to work closely on your accounts. And as I said, after the end of the month, you'll be in a much better position to decide whether Spectrum is a good fit for you or not. So let's go and grab this opportunity.